Now we're on to that vacation we were talking about.
Now, because I have a passing fondness for you, I've booked you on a luxurious train ride across India, from Delhi all the way to the vacation wonderland that is Shimla. You can thank me later. Indeed, my fleeting appreciation for you knows no bounds. Enjoy the views and the first-class treatment. Honestly, I'm quite jealous. But some of us have to keep the world safe while you're off gallivanting across India.
No, my thing.
Enjoy your vacation.
I will. They seem to keep forgetting my rep. Oh.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen. The train has run into a bit of a problem. But don't worry, we will sort it out and have you moving again shortly. For your safety, please remain in your cabins.
Okay. So I've got... Sweet. Okay. Right. Room service.
Oh, how I do enjoy leaving phone messages.
Oh, bravo.
Since this is an unsecured line, here's a clever little riddle. Buttons on the wall. Light them
I see
up,
them.
but not them all. Clues I've left, there are 4.
Four
Each
clues.
one found reveals a door. I just came up with that.
Any more messages?
Oh, how I do enjoy leaving phone messages.
Okay, cool. So those are buttons. I saw it already. There's a clue. So I see the clue. Sick. Money. Come on, this is all that. What's currency? That's not words. Wait. Is this what rupees look like? I would never know. Dip it in the tea. Alright. Read it. I can't read that. The bearer of this document is hereby pardoned of crimes against the state by order of Her Majesty the Queen. Okay. Is there something on her? Go the back. No? Okay. E. Oh, we're in the 90s. That says 1990 something. Oh, that says 19, sorry. Oh. These one, and these one. What opened? Oh. Ooh, earpiece.
Well done. I have a small favor to ask that has nothing to do with work. This is a vacation, after all. Oddly enough, a Zor agent is aboard your train and wishes to help us by defecting to our side. It's quite the coincidence that you'd both be on the same train. Really, what are the chances? Find out which cabin they're in by tapping into the phone system.
Okay. How do I do that? Okay. Take this one out.
Great job. Not that this is a job, obviously. Before getting back to enjoying your very real vacation, find out which cabin the defector is in and send them something with the agency logo on it.
What is the agency logo? I don't remember. Oh, it's that one. It's that. I don't want to give him my lighter. That's what I used to light my Reds. What's in there? Nothing. Okay. Are you in one?
Cabin 1. Message.
1-star armored surprise stops the train. Cabin-to-cabin transport will shut off.
Wow.
Zor's intel says it's train policy to send a free gift to the room of a upset customer. So keep bothering room service to override the lockdown.
Okay. So room 2.
Look out the window. There's some large vehicle blocking the tracks. They've locked us in our compartments. I don't understand what's going on. Just call me when you get this message. I'm in cabin 2.
It's not him.
Zbigniew? Słuchaj, coraz mniej podoba mi się ten pomysł z Indiami.
Nie marudź, Marian.
Yeah, man. I definitely understand this.
Wiesz, ile płyt sprzedamy?
Jak na razie, to nasz pociąg utknął nad jak...
That's me. Plays in 6.
Cabin 6-1. Message.
Zor says to take care of the snitch. Retrieve the information from her and clean up any loose ends. Do your job, or else.
So what room is she in? She would like everything that I can on file. Because you never know, right? You never know what's hidden. Okay. Last chance to see annual. Last chance to see Anna Yelova perform daily life as a violence is more stressful and busy as you might imagine. That's the name of the song. If the chance to make a change were to arrive, I would take it. Huge 15th century 125 concert ends with a solo recital in Shimla on Tuesday. The star plans on retiring the day after as her birthday present to herself. Don't miss out. See her live next month at Shamala City Concert Hall. Rose, the beauty soap of a ticket agent in the says he was harassed by a striking individual armed with what could be only seen as a double-bladed spear. Other side.
Sorry, we are tending to some difficulties up ahead. Please stay in your compartment for now. Thank you. Still dealing with the situation. Room service is temporarily unavailable. We'll let you know if that changes, okay? All right, Cabin 4.
Thank you.
I will send you.
Look at that. A free gift. I couldn't be more jealous of all the fun you're having. Anyway, send the defector something agency related to make contact.
A rat. Yes. I'm gonna send it to 5 and hope. Let me just I'm gonna send it to 5. Oh. Way.
Listen closely. I'm only going to explain this once. I need to know I can trust you. Send me the pardon, and I will send you the intel you want.
Oh, the pardon that I burnt. I don't know if I can give it to you, you know. You know what, Fez? You know what? Take it. It's fine. It's mine. It's mine. You can have it. I need my lighter back, though.
You just burned the only thing I cared about, and the only reason I had to keep you alive. Goodbye.
You can just have that, yep. You know, enjoy your pardon. Let me get my guard back.
Thank you. I can now pursue my music wherever it takes me. The device I sent has what you want. The combination is the date of my birthday.
Oh.
I can't believe it. They killed her. Get that device open, Agent.
Her birthday. Hold on. It was on here. Day after. So the concert is the day after. Her birthday is the day after the concert, which is. Wait. Day after her is her birthday. Where to say what date of the concert is? Okay, so it would be if it's still Wednesday. No, it's a Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So it's second of the 11th.
Well done. One last thing. Insert that tape into the reader. It will transmit the defector's intel to us.
Sweet.
Perfect. We're receiving the data. Transmitting it has apparently alerted Zor's assassins to your position.
Sweet.
Good for them.
Yes, sir.
Room service.
Yeah. Whoa. I'll have that. Jolt man.
The old gun through the mail slot trick. I used to do that at the office when I was an agent. I was asked to stop.
Whoa. I'm dead. I'll take that. No, no. No, give me. Give me. Give me. Give me that. Where are you going? What do I do, bruv? I'm cooked. Whoa. No, man. Give me that. Oh, I'm dead. I don't know what you want. What did you want me to do, bro? So I only went
The
before.
ceiling trick. Never got a chance to do that one at the office.
Hey, what you on? What's the word? Oh, my gun. No, have it back. Jorman. You fool. I want
It would
my
seem
cut.
Zor underestimated both of us.
Oh, sick.
You
live.
impress me. But let's not celebrate quite yet. Zor's backup is on its way.
We've received
my gun?
reports of a low-flying aircraft in your area.
Ah,
Pilots these days, don't they know that could be dangerous?
wow. Wow. I'm just gonna, I can't, it won't let me roll it back down. What do you want me to do now? You missed me. Whoa, okay.
You're brave, as well as clever. But if we're going to get out of this, you're going to need a bigger gun.
That one. What did I do from that then? Oh, sick! Boss a move! Yeah, what are we on now? You're not on what I'm on. You're not on what I'm on, Jolt man. Smoking on the airplane. Okay. Oh, sweet.
Just
Sweet.
like in the movies. Remarkable.
Can we go?
Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like our little problem has been resolved. We will now continue our journey to the beautiful city of Shimla. Thank
Can
you.
I look out the window?
It's done. I'm free. I would tell you to come find me someday, but I get the impression you couldn't leave this life behind. So instead, I will just say, thank you.
Come check me in the
goodbye.
room. Why not? Come check me in the room.
Yes, that did count as your vacation, and
Wow.
you just used all of your days. Welcome back.
Free me from this job, bruv. Okay, where's my... Why do I keep losing the ret? I'm supposed to have a ret on this table. What's the next mission? Seat of Power.
Our train defector had information about Zor's next big move. It's something called the Death Engine, and you must get more intel on it before it's put to use. We're sending
Okay.
you just outside Madrid to infiltrate a Zoraxis facility, retrieve information on the Death Engine, and get out alive. Good luck.
Oh, sick. Chess, come. Oh.
Well done sneaking in.
Yes.
We know that Death Engine intel is somewhere in here.
Okay. Roll call, Professor X-ray performance evaluation. Death Engine demo. Make Spanish class mandatory. Fine.
Not that I worry about Zor's collection, but do try not to make too much noise.
What's this? Oh.
The purring of a combination lock mechanism.
Oh. Word. Okay.
Well done sneaking in. We
What's this?
know that Death Engine intel is somewhere in here.
Okay, I'm gonna put that there. Wait. Can I do no? Okay, I got two. I got ahead of myself. This would make sense though, no? Oh, I told you.
Welcome, Dr. Zor.
You were Zor all along. Seriously though, remember what you're after, Agent. It's the Death Engine.
Okay. Scorpion, clock. Can I move anything else? There's a bottle over there. Through that. I have to make sure they don't get to -5, because I think. Is there any other, or did I start flicking buttons? Oh. What was that?
The purring of a combination lock mechanism. Unmistakable. Sometimes I do miss field work.
Sweet.
Unauthorized Death Engine use. Notifying security personnel.
Did any of you comment or something?
Do you think this flamethrower is a bit excessive? Barbecue time!
I don't know what you want me to do. Okay. So what did I do to him? What does this one do? Okay, so I need to find the key. That was thingy. That was the John that did the violin thing we just met. And that's that X-ray Nick. Anything else in there? No. Anything in there? Anything in here I can get? No. Are you being serious? I can't believe it took me that long just to find the damn key.
The purring of a combination lock mechanism. Unmistakable. Sometimes I do miss field work.
Unauthorized Death Engine use. Notifying security personnel.
Just gonna wait for him. I know this might not even be the right way to do it, but
Security protocols. I can't believe somebody already got in there. One agent, extra crispy.
so it means nothing. No, wait, let me try. There we go. We're going to see what that button does now. What's it?
Unauthorized
Sick.
Death Engine use. Notifying security. Warning. Death Engine data reel removed.
That's the intel we need. Now, find a way to get it out of there intact.
Open up!
No.
Who locked this elevator? Come on, let's get the hive mind.
Locations on your. Oh, damn it. Navigation control. Where's navigation control?
Targeting. Highway. Death Engine activation in 10 minutes.
I don't know what I did.
Aligning satellite trajectories.
Oh.
Targeting New York City.
Yes.
Targeting Los Angeles.
Okay. Just not London, alright? Just not London. You
Targeting
can leave London, you can leave
Sao
London.
Paulo.
Yep, okay. Where's.
Targeting London.
No, 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 no,
Targeting
no.
Cairo.
Yeah, take that one.
Targeting Madrid.
You can take that too.
Imminent threat detected. Engaging evacuation mode.
Yes, 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 please, please, please.
And of course, I got you for the job. Make sure you drill the hole big
Okay,
enough
wait,
for
wait.
me. Soon, agent, you will look a lot like my high school report card.
Put it down.
Covered in bees! No, my bees! You will rue the day, agent, that you crossed the hive mind!
Data slot is. What is that?
Death engine activation in
Yeah, the whole bee
8
guy thing
minutes.
didn't work. And now we're
Integrating
cutting
target
the doors
coordinates.
Okay. I got that. Now the fan. What do I do with the fan? There we go. Now I can.
Their launch sequence initialized.
Let's go.
5, 4, 3.
I don't know what the. I just press buttons.
Liftoff.
See you.
Outstanding work, Agent. Our extraction team is standing by as you figure out how to land your flying armchair.
Yes, 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 yes.
Well done retrieving the Death Engine intelligence, Agent. Now, we just have to wait for it to be Now, it's already in the door slot. Looks like the team in decryption is taking their job seriously, unlike someone I know.
Alright, next one's Death Engine.